Ricky Ross, T-Pain.
I got a fresh line up, yeah, fresh outfit. Bout to have the parking lot on smash. Plus I got a Chevy with a 454 in the hood. That bitch got 125 on the dash.
I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far.
Cause it's just another day in the life of the goddamn boss.
I don't make love, baby, we make magic. Come home with a thug, let's get shit cracking. Always well plastic, baby, cause shit happens. She leaped the back seat, just a freak in the Magnum. Hopped out the Magnum, hopped in the tray, just to let the top back and thank God for the day. Who gives a fuck what a hater gotta say? I made a couple $1 million last year dealing weight. Still in the streets, strapped with them things. She in love with a G, so she tatted my name. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. 10 black made backs, back to back in the lane. I'ma make it rain, then I'ma make it back. You are just a lame little homie, that's a fact. Working with the police, acting like you know me. Fresh out of jail already in your OG.
Got a fresh line up, yeah, fresh outfit. Bout to have the parking lot on smash. Plus I got a Chevy with a 454 in the hood. That bitch got 125 on the dash.
I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far.
Cause it's just another day in the life of the goddamn boss.
T-Pain.
The boss, 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 the boss, 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 the boss, 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 the boss. The boss, 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 the boss, 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 the boss, 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 the boss. The shorty straight digging me, and I ain't even rich. I know you niggas on the sideline like ain't that a bitch. I'm on my job, and I ain't getting off. Cause it's just another day in the life of the goddamn boss.
I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. Got the biggest car, Spanish bras, no bra. Call it other lane for the walks in the parks. I ain't come to play games, I just wanna play my part. Tell your girlfriend to come talk with my dog. We straight G's and we came hit a ball. Bottle at the bottle, when I'm sure you count them all. Then we off to that Chevy and taking off. Baby, slow it down cause you're moving too fast. Yeah, it's too fine to be moving too fast. Back to the thuggin', now I'm sipping scissor. All my niggas love it, baby, that's my wizard. Stack for the jeans, 5 bones for the shizzard. I don't smoke 20, 800 for the izzard. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. You could tell by the stones that's standing by the car.
I got a fresh line up, yeah, fresh outfit. Bout to have the parking lot on smash. Plus I got a Chevy with a 454 in the hood. That bitch got 125 on the dash.
I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far.
Cause it's just another day in the life of the goddamn boss. Yeah, 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 yeah.
That you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far.
Oh, it's your Uncle Big Snoopy Digo Double G. Ooh-wee. And I'm ego tripping. I got my boy Mr. Pappy Davis. I got my boy Too Show. And you know, everywhere we go, we like to say we the life of the party. Can you dig that?
I'm only in town for a night. And when I pull up in the crowd, get high. And everybody love the browns to the white. You live like a movie, but I'm moving my life. And I'm the life of the party.
Every time I show
I'm
up,
the life of the party.
every time I blow
I'm the
up,
life of the party.
every time I show
I'm the
up,
life of the party.
every time I blow up.
I'm gon' roll up the switch up, but don't drink all my liquor. You know it's all good, my nigga. Give me 1 second, I'll pose for your picture. Like cheese, cheese, cheese.
take much for me to get started. Every time you see me, I'm with a bunch of girls, straight to the table, in my own world. But the ball players know me, movie stars too. See my homie Snoop, we doing what we do. Don't matter where we at, Miami or Vegas. Every time you ask me, yeah, I'm a player. Yeah, cause I'm the life of the party. I got 10 bad bitches, acting retarded. I'm trying to meet a few new ones. What's up with you, girl? Maybe we can do something. Do you drink? Do you smoke? I can tell by your purse and your shoes you ain't broke. Hang with me, the first thing you do is get stuck. Take you somewhere, later on you get fucked. Bitch,
I'm only in town for a night, and when I pull up in the crowd get high, and everybody love me. The browns to the white. You live like a movie, but I'm moving my life, and I'm the life of the party.
Every time I show
I'm the
up,
life of the party.
every time I blow
I'm the
up,
life of the party.
every time I show
I'm the
up,
life of the party.
every time I blow up.
I'm gon' roll up the swisher, but don't drink all my liquor. You know it's all good, my nigga. Give me 1 second, I'll pose for your picture. Like cheese, 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 cheese. Now everybody just freeze, 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 freeze. Now DJ, bring the music, please.
I've been trapping all day, getting paper. Headed to the club in my brand new scraper. Gators on my feet, money in my pocket. I gotta do a show, so you know I'm about to rock it. See my homie short, laying low key. I strolled over to him and passed him the bleezy. Dog eat dog, anything goes. Snapping my fingers, cracking at some hoes. What do you know? I'm in the A, getting played all day. A lot of y'all wanna ball and try to walk this way. Y'all want that shine, shine, but that's all mine. I'm bona fide, qualified to have a hot damn time. Now listen, get the picture and take a picture of me quick. See, cause tomorrow I got a new city that I'm gonna hit. A double whammy, right before I do the Grammys. I do a show up Puff Daddy way out in South Miami.
I'm only in town for a night, and when I pull up in the crowd get high, and everybody love me. The browns to the white. You live like a movie, but I'm moving my life, and I'm the life of the party.
Every time I show
I'm the
up,
life of the party.
every time I blow
I'm the
up,
life of the party.
every time I show
I'm the
up,
life of the party.
every time I blow up.
I'm gon' roll up the swisher, but don't drink all my liquor. You know it's all good, my nigga. Give me 1 second, I'll pose for your picture. Like cheese, 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 cheese. Now everybody just freeze, 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 freeze. Now DJ, bring the music, please.
Count 'em, man. It's about 12, 13, 14 bad bitches. It's me, 2 of my homies. We drinking, we smoking. I see all the ballers.